Alright, this is Tom Kerr in Pasadena, California. I run the FMIBasses upright bass specialty shop. I'm going to demonstrate how to pack up an upright bass into a box so that it can safely ship with Greyhound or a freight line. You can't find just one box that's big enough for an upright out there in the world at large, so I'll show how to get 3 boxes that are big enough, wide enough, and deep enough, but not tall enough. 3 of them, though, will be tall enough to pack up a bass in 3 boxes that are thoroughly taped together. And then lots of padding, and it will ship safely. So step over here, I'll show you how that's done on a smaller instrument. The same idea. This is like an upright bass, but it's just a violin. But I'll demonstrate in smaller boxes what you would do to pack up the big bass in bigger boxes. So first off, you fold up one box and tape it. So you would tape this quite thoroughly, tape it up thoroughly, so it's not going to come apart. Tape it across here and here, and double it if you want. And then it's ready as the base of your packaging. And you should put like several layers of cardboard just in the bottom, or a few layers of like foam, styrofoam, to pad the upright bass that's going to be standing in it. And then you can wrap the upright bass. You want to wrap like the thick bubble wrap, big bubbles, and wrap it thoroughly to fill the space of the box. You want to like jam it in there where it'll stand up on its own just because of the packing foam bubbles. And once you have that done, you can actually put tape on these corners here. Just tape the flaps up like this. And then get your next box. And you just slide it down over that. Now the boxes that are going to fit the upright bass are going to be, we have them found on the internet, 32 inches by 24 inches by 24 inches. So the box with the flaps closed is 2 feet tall. The flaps are going to go up another foot each way. So if you overlap the flaps on the bottom box and the upper box, bring it down about 4 inches overlap, then you can get this done with 3 boxes. So here you would tape this on thoroughly. Tape that quite thoroughly down. Not like that. You tape that on there thoroughly, then you have 2 boxes in place. Now your third box, you would start by taping the bottom of it thoroughly. I might as well throw a piece of tape on it. And then that goes over the top. Now before you put this on, of course, finish packing up an upright bass, you would finish filling it with bubble wrap, pillows, light blankets, whatever, to like fill it up thoroughly so it's like suspended in the middle. That way if the box gets slammed around, it's got cushioning to keep it from getting a hard shot. Then it can ship safely. So your third box goes on the top. And you want to leave room so that there's padding in the top of the box to go above this. So you would pad it thoroughly with bubble wrap and then put, say, some foam on top of this so that the top of the box would sit against that foam and not the wooden scroll of the instrument. And so this will overlap these flaps a ways, and you tape that thoroughly, and then you have a box with a bass in it. Voila!